This ABC15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.
I'm Faye Fredericks with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The city of Phoenix has its work cut out following a judge's ruling that orders the city to clean up the growing homeless encampment downtown known as the Zone. On Monday, city leaders learned they would have to clean up and clear people out of the area before a July 10th court hearing. The population fluctuates anywhere from 700 to 1,000.
I think there's no reason why the city could not help the people in the zone. It certainly can do better than it's been doing. I mean, these conditions are inhumane even for the residents who live there, not even to speak of the neighboring taxpayers and property owners who have been forced to really bear the brunt of the city's refusal to act.
A spokesperson says the city's legal team is reviewing the judge's decision. The judge recommended the city consider building structured campgrounds. It's unclear if that will happen. Our ABC15 investigators have been following the growth of the zone for years now. The area surrounds many social service agencies that help those who are struggling. It really started growing in 2019. You can see it here in snapshots over the years on Madison Street. Phoenix police tag along with city cleaning crews to conduct cleanups of the area. In August of 2021, though, those cleanups came under fire as the Department of Justice announced part of their probe would include how the city treats the homeless.
Birth certificates, clothing, blankets, sleeping bags, you name it, it was taken.
Investigator Melissa Blasius visited the zone, showing how cleaning crews disposed of trash, but also personal belongings.
I've had everything I own thrown in trash, including my ID, my teeth, everything.
How did it feel the day they threw away all your stuff, including your teeth?
I can't think of the words for it, really.
Deep cleanings were put on hold, but nearby business owners became fed up, suing the city in August. City of Phoenix restarted cleanings in December, but with new procedures designed to give people a chance to reclaim their property. That led to this week, when a judge ordered the city to make a plan to get rid of the makeshift tent encampment. City leaders have until July to make a plan. Going in depth now, Denver is trying to tackle the problem using what's called the Housing First model. It's a strategy that basically gets people into housing without mental health or substance abuse treatment. Those are often barriers to finding housing and why some want to continue living on the streets. City study in Denver finds 77% of those given homes in 2017 remained in some type of permanent housing 3 years later. Those with housing also had fewer interactions with police and fewer arrests. City of Tempe is offering support to people experiencing homelessness. Thursday, the city, along with the Tempe Community Action Agency, will host an emergency shelter night. The night will include food, shelter, shower, and laundry services for people experiencing homelessness. It's happening at the King of Glory Lutheran Church. That's near the 101 and Southern. Today is Diabetes Alert Day, a day meant to bring awareness to a disease that impacts more than 37 million Americans and is the 7th leading cause of death in the nation. Right now, the number of Americans with prediabetes is also rising. A report from the CDC shows 96 million U.S. adults have prediabetes and 8 in 10 don't know it.
You really don't even have any symptoms. You can be perfectly normal and not have any signs and symptoms of anything until your sugars get too high.
A nurse practitioner here in the Valley explains that a healthy lifestyle with food, exercise, and stress management are all factors that can lower your risk for prediabetes. If you have type 1, type 2, or prediabetes, there are resources out there to help. We've put links to them on our website, abc15.com. For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download the free ABC15 mobile app.